Good day everyone, here's our math challenge for today. And here's our question. If BC plus AC plus AB equals ABC, then what is the value of B plus C over BC multiplied by A minus 1 plus A plus C all over AC multiplied by B minus 1 plus A plus B over AB multiplied by C minus 1. Now, is it letter A 0, letter B 1, letter C negative 1 half, or letter D negative 3 over 2? Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video. We have 20 seconds and timer starts now. Time's up. Now, let's answer this question together. Now, our goal in this question is to evaluate this expression. We have B plus C all over BC times A minus 1 plus A plus C all over AC multiplied by B minus 1 plus A plus B all over AB multiplied by C minus 1. Given this equation, BC plus AC plus AB equals ABC. Now, how are we going to evaluate this expression? Because our choices is 0, 1, negative 1 half, or negative 3 over 2. So maybe we can use some manipulation to evaluate each of these expression. So to do that, let's focus on the given equation. Now, let's subtract first BC on both sides. So we have AC plus AB equals ABC minus BC. Now, on the left-hand side, let's factor out A because A is common to both terms. So we have A multiplied by C plus B. And on the right-hand side, let's factor out BC. Thus, we have BC multiplied by A minus 1. Now, at this point, let's divide both sides by BC multiplied by A minus 1. If we do that, we get A multiplied by C plus B all over BC times A minus 1 equals 1. Now at this point, let's divide both sides by A. So on the right hand side, we have 1 over A. Now also notice that C plus B is just B plus C. And this is exactly the first term of the expression that we want to evaluate. So we can replace B plus C over BC times A minus 1 with 1 over A. So this is just 1 over A. Now, how about A plus C over AC times B minus 1? So again, let's have our equation. At this point, let's subtract AC on both sides. We will do the same thing. Let's factor out B on the left-hand side. So we have B multiplied by C plus A and factor out AC on the right-hand side. This will give us AC multiplied by B minus 1. We will do the same thing as we did on the first manipulation. So in this case, we have C plus A over AC times B minus 1 equals 1 over B. And take note that C plus A is the same thing as A plus C. Therefore, the second term of this expression is just 1 over B. Now, for the last time, what is the value of A plus B over AB multiplied by C minus 1? Again, we will do the same thing. Subtract AB on both sides. This will give us BC plus AC equals ABC minus AB. Now, let's factor out C on the left-hand side and factor out AB on the right-hand side. This will give us C multiplied by B plus A equals AB times C minus 1. Again, we will do the same thing. And this expression A plus B over AB multiplied by C minus 1 is equivalent to just 1 over C. So this is just 1 over C. Now, our expression now becomes 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. And the question is, what is the value of this expression? Again, we will use the given equation. We have BC plus AC plus AB equals ABC. Now, to solve for the value of this expression, what we're going to do is to divide all terms by ABC. If we do that, we get BC over ABC plus AC over ABC plus AB over ABC equals 1. Now, on the first term, BC over ABC, if we cancel out BC on the numerator and BC on the denominator, we have 1 over A. On the second term, if we cancel A and C, we have 1 over B. And on the last term, if we cancel out AB, we get 1 over C. Therefore, the value of 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C is just 1. Therefore, the answer to our question is letter B. We have 1. And as always, we are done.